don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Marumo Kara 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Scaro.
Hey, Shaporing Brazil.
Nothing,
Hey, compliments, my brother. Hey, you know when Chiefs win, it's not nice, man.
What?
Hey, BK are sharp.
Somewhere.
Hi, are sharp.
Okay.
How does it wait too much? They can look winda.
Ohlisa mkhabuli.
Yeah, get stress. Minya. Next.
His flat tummy.
Aona apere di drip mo nte. O tlhokomelwa ke chilies.
Chilies.
Ke chilies am tlhokomela mo.
Chilies is his doctor.
I depletile medical aid. Stress is how many Chiefs. Because Rona, we are used to game in hand.
Yes.
We have seen this movie before. Game in hand doesn't mean where you've got guaranteed 3 points.
Yes.
Now we've been there.
Yeah.
We dangled in that boat. So I celebrated it. So now in reality, we have seen that movie.
Yeah.
How fedi. Them cover also.
Leadership.
Yeah, o sabile lo tla mo.
Hey.
Are ba tshotore ke now from temo.
Satsusa.
Hey, what was?
Eish.
What was but going back to our team, I'm happy with the management. If you check the game from Zesco.
Yes.
The coach I think somewhere is getting it right. Last season we've been playing, we've been dominating, but the points were not there. We drew a lot of games that we're supposed to have won. And then now someone can say we are playing dirty and we are getting the deserved points. Yes, in the league someone can say the goals will make a difference. But if you compare who we are and where we are coming from, that is a step forward.
Yes.
It's 100% in job.
Yes.
So remember the two teams that are above us on the CAF Confederations, we are still going to play against them.
Yes.
So we managed to get our first win. It was a good thing that we won our first game away from home.
Yes.
So it's a message also to those people. Very
open.
It's open. Even the league. We are number 2. Did you know this? We are number 2. Yeah, we are number 2. So a lot of people are not aware. So we are number 2. And number 1 is we are there.
Yeah.
So both domestically and home.
Continentally.
My brother, we are Remunati. So I just fear for my friend, man. Uno mageu fela no.
Di jwa di game.
A di teng o go robolaiwa o bolelwe ke sekhukhune o bolelwe ke Zesco o bolelwe maobane ke Sundowns ke nna ka jeko
ka mokana
mkhabolo o tsamaile
o vaile
o tsamaile mara
lo wa Jimmy go bona o ehlile moba
kumi so mara no ke so to go tla le sharp because a sana mkhaba wa ominya maybe body le tla go
ya matla ele ya
ka se bile matla ka re Chiefs isa dominate
somebody dominate
ke re wa bona le go England the Red Devils are weak.
Yes,
so it's one of the Chiefs.
We
are weak. Check us on weekend when we play. We'll be at Bloemfontein.
Yes.
Then that coach was Zesco spoke too much.
Yes.
Because of we were there. It was our first win away from home. Like we scored. Like everything went to the coach's plan. People will criticize that the game was bad and whatever. But the coach wanted to get the 3 points.
Yes.
And he got the 3 points.
That's it.
We played a lot of good games. We got a point.
Yes.
Or we lost the game.
Yes.
Again today was a little bit nice.
Yeah.
But we got the points.
We got the point.
So a lot is still coming.
For Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Too much.
Gwenda, remember what Gwenda said? Come end of the season, what will happen?
Steve,
Betway.
we are the Betway Championship. No matter what you like it or not.
Yeah.
No matter what, we are the Python. The person we just hiding, waiting, domestic, to eat. Domestic. Especially the domestic.
Yeah.
You know.
The Betway.
Steve,
And the net bank.
Steve, finally, I'm just want to wish for that guy. He's going for Western Cape for 2 months.
Yeah.
So I don't know what can I don't know. Maybe I can fly that side, or maybe I can make sure I try to come that side.
Yeah.
But Steve, I'm gonna miss for that guy for 2 months.
What leadership?
Yeah, for 2 months. I'm gonna miss the game for 2 months.
Peter, utokhupuleya tasikalo.
Sure, my
Hey,
brother.
Shanja. Uva ikreni, uvani?
Give her on Sunday, my brother.
Sunday.
Yeah, Saturday I'll still be at home.
Yeah.
And then Sunday I'm
Go
going.
again.
Yeah.
Saturday re kaofela.
Take off here.
Nchaka watsi. Mfethu samisa Saturday. Mune game ya Saturday.
Ah, kami yakava.
Yeah.
Utosala batrape kwindalo.
Kamara was start never my dead body. Never my dead body. Kamara was start. But Kamara was starting but what? Oh, Sibo, no rike.
Utamukona mutakataka.
Ah, mutakataka. O rike palo, o rike ka long man. O mtelle so. No rike twa 3 vili. Pelindaba my leadership. No one will stop me my leadership.
Utamukona 0-1.
Ah, wanna see the man. Wanna see the my leadership.
Mundu.
The most dangerous number in the world. Now I change my name to Dr. Gwenda.
Okay, so Dr. Gwenda.
Ah,